Hi all. Today I will show you how to take two ways on how to take a screenshot with the Samsung S24. So for this S24 Ultra even. So for this you have the volume down and the power button both together. So for this, as you can see, it's already taken the screenshot, which you can go straight. You can edit it or whatever. If you don't like it for some reason, you can just delete it. The other way is just go with your palm across the screen, but you have to touch the screen. Just go like this, and here's your screenshot. Again, you can edit, you can share. Otherwise it will automatically save to your gallery, and if you go to a gallery you can see the screenshots already taken there. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.